Hi guys, in today's video, I will show you how to create this beautiful 3D book cover in Canva. Okay, so guys, if this is the type of videos you like, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. Let's get on with the video. Okay guys, so today we will start with creating a book cover. Okay, so we will start by going into more, creating a book cover. I shouldn't select create a book cover, but anyway, let us get into it. Okay, so these are some pretty neat book covers. So we will select this book cover, okay, and we'll download this as a JPEG. So in order to create the markup, we will go into Smart Markups and we will look for books. So we have several books here that we can use to give that realistic feel, to give that 3D feel. Okay, as you can see, it have a ton of designs that you can actually use for your design. So I will just go ahead and select one of this. Okay guys, so I like this one. It gives you that real book feel. So let us select this and let us upload our image. So we'll select this image here, and as you can see, it's on the book, but it is not the correct size. Okay, we can adjust the image. Just for the sake of this video, we'll adjust it and click on save. So this gives you a really good realistic view of how a 3D book should look. So this is really nice. You can actually save the markup so you can use another time. And remember, in order to create this in Canva, to use Smart Markup, you must have a pro account. So guys, please feel free to use my link below to sign up for the pro account if you really want to create something as nice as this. Okay, but I will also now show you the free version. So I will use a flyer template for this, or we can customize the size. Let us use a customized size 7.5 by 7.5 inches. Right, so we'll use this. Okay, now we will go into photos, and as you can see, yes, I was looking beforehand to see what type of templates I'd have gotten. And let us go into elements and into frames. Click on see all, and here you will see some book markups that you can actually use. So you click on this and you go into uploads. You already uploaded the book cover and you drag that over on your book. So you click here to drag and enlarge your book. Let us change the background so it will be easier for us to see what we're doing. So now you can actually see that realistic look of a book. Okay, so this is a free way in which you can create that in Canva. So first I showed you the Smart Markup, and then I showed you the free way. Let us go to uploads and upload what we did in Smart Markup. Okay, so this is what we created in Smart Markup. Guys, see how beautiful this looks? It's very realistic, very realistic. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Okay, so now we don't really have any sort of nice background for this, but what you can do is go into photos and look for, let's say, table, right? So we can use something like this. Click on this, position backward, and this will give our book a very more realistic feel, like it is on a table, so to speak. Okay, you can duplicate it and make it look like two, so it gives it that sort of realistic look. If you want, you can of course change the backgrounds, right, and use another background, right, something like this, and you can position backward, and this will give you that realistic look. Of course, it will not be as realistic as this, but for something that is free, I think we have a winner. Okay, I hope this video was very helpful and I hope that you enjoyed it. If you received value from this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below. Until next time, bye.